Here I'm going to show you how to humanize AI generated article using Humbot AI tool. Now to humanize AI generated article using Humbot AI tool, open your search engine. Here type in ChatGPT. As you can see, it's already on my history. Now open your ChatGPT. Now we are here inside a platform. Now first we will first generate AI content, then humanize it. Now to generate AI article, click here. Just let me show you an example. So watch till the end. Compose article. Now click on generate icon here. As you can see, it is generating the article for me. Now copy it. Now open a new tab. Now type in Humbot. As you can see, it's AI. Now click on search. Here is it. Now click on it. Wait for it to open. Now make sure you must have signed in into the Humbot platform like this and follow the sign up processes. Now paste the article here. As you can see, I can post more than 300 words. That's if you want to paste more than 300 words, you must subscribe to the platform just by clicking here and follow an upgrade. So you must upgrade to the plan, either monthly or yearly. But if you don't have the money to do it, now subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you never miss out when I drop a video on how to humanize AI content. Now I will use just their sample which is here, because I can't compose all this. I must subscribe to the plan, which I didn't have the capital to do it. Now click on tab sample here. Yeah, I just use their own sample. Now click on humanize. Wait for it to humanize. As you can see, it's humanizing, and it will also check if the content bypass AI detectors, content detectors. See it. If you are visiting here for the first time, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tutorial like this and take related guide. So watch this video to know how to use Tapper keyboard, because I will release a video on how to humanize AI content without any subscription. Now see you on the next video.